He's cutting up the cacti. Make them one. Wait, why are you cutting up the cacti? Like, bro, look at this. I'm hiding behind the wall. Oogly boogly doogly doo. Look at this water, dude.
Well, I'm gonna need a new chain. You see all the fucking sparks? I know, I gotta flip it.
Look at that. So much water because it's been raining so much. I can swim in here, dude. My rollerblades! No.
Honey, we ain't done yet.
No dip, Sherlock! My rollerblades are in the water! Dude, I'm wet!
That'll get you some videos on YouTube too, honey.
There's... Ah!
Dad cuts up couches basement with chainsaw.
Now watch your feet.
Oh, I am!
One more time.
Okay, I'll give you guys a part 2.